Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Myself Ashish, and today I'll be covering a puzzle genre called Timid Dominoes Puzzle. So this puzzle was featured on WCPN website, and the author of this puzzle is Tom Groot Cormeling. And he has posted some excellent Sudoku and puzzles recently, and we have covered a few of his Sudokus on the channel too. So this Sudoku is a 5-star Sudoku. It has been written a 5-star puzzle. I would say, sorry, not a Sudoku. It's a 5-star puzzle, and it's a really tough puzzle. Going with the reviews of the solvers. So I thought of covering a video on this one. Let us see if we are able to crack this puzzle logically. So before starting this puzzle, I would highly recommend you to check out the WCPN website. WCPN is a very good website where they post a regular puzzle or a Sudoku on a daily basis. And some of the best authors of the world post the Sudokus and puzzles over there. So I would really recommend you to check out the WCPN website. I will add the link in the description below for the website page, as well as the link of the online interface of the puzzle that we are solving today. And I would really again suggest you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, so that it will motivate us to cover more of the videos on Sudoku and puzzles. And if at all you have any request on a Sudoku or a puzzle genre, you can let us know on the comments below, so that we'll be able to cover on that too. So now coming on to the puzzle, there are exactly 21 dominoes. Dominoes are nothing but 2 into 1 region here. As you can see, there are exactly 21 dominoes here, starting from 00 to 55, right? So you have to place those dominoes in such a way that all the dominoes are connected to each other diagonally. So what do we mean by diagonally means? So if there is a domino here, there cannot be any other domino touching orthogonally to the previous domino. It has to be connected diagonally, right? And there cannot be a domino that is not connected to any of the other dominoes diagonally. So all of the dominoes, 21 dominoes in the grid, have to be connected to each other diagonally, and the numbers outside the grid, right, indicates the sum of the numbers on the domino in the corresponding row and column. So for example, if you have a domino here and a here, then the sum of these 4 numbers will have to be 4, right? That is what the rule says. A very simple rule, but might be a very difficult puzzle because it is rated as a 5-star puzzle. So let's see if we can solve this puzzle logically, and with that we'll start the puzzle. And as you can see, there are some black cells in the grid, so the black cells cannot have any dominoes on it, right? So black cell is nothing but you cannot have you cannot place a domino there. And there are already a few part of the dominoes given in the grid. So as you can see, a 3 2 0 0, these 4 cells are the part of the dominoes. So we have to find out the orientation and then solve the puzzle, sorry. And with that we'll start solving the puzzle. Okay, so usually in such cases, a difficult puzzle, you usually have to look out for the lowest sum or the highest sum, right? So as you can see, the lowest sum here, 2 and 1, or 4 as well. So does that give us anything here? No. This is the highest sum, 26. Let's see if that is also giving us anything. No. So maybe we can do one thing here is select the cells which cannot be part of the domino. Just eliminate the cells which cannot be part of the domino, right? So can this cell be a part of the domino? So there are the 2 orientations possible for this cell to be a domino, either this one, right, or this one. And in both the cases, this domino has to be connected to other domino diagonally. And for this orientation, there is only one way. This is the way, diagonally, connecting diagonally. But as you can see, you form a 3-cell domino here. A domino is only of 2 cells, which is not possible. And in this orientation also, the domino is not possible, because then the domino won't be able to connect diagonally anywhere. So this cannot be a domino. Can this be a domino again? So if this is the domino, it only has one orientation, and in this orientation there is only one way the domino can be connected diagonally, and again this domino is now not connected diagonally to any other domino. So both of these dominoes are stranded here, which means that this is also not part of a domino. Same way this cell as well, sorry, this cell. So if this cell is a part of the domino, you'll have this orientation, and then you are not able to connect this domino elsewhere, right? So okay, this seems to be a very good one, and I think so now that the 26 should help here. Can you have the sum 26 in this column without using any of the dominoes here? So let us assume you don't have a domino here, right? Both of these cells are not the dominoes here. Can you able to fit the dominoes in such a way that you get the sum as 26? So the maximum number of cells you can have here are 4 cells which are part of the dominoes, right? 1 2 3 4 this way or this way, anyway. And 4 cells can have a sum of maximum 5 5 5 and 4, because 5 5 5 5 is also okay, 5 5 5 5 is also possible this way, and you can have a maximum of sum as 20. So you need 26, which means that there has to be a domino here, and there has to be a 2 cell domino, not this way. However, this way it is not possible, because you won't be able to connect that domino elsewhere diagonally, which means there has to be a domino here, and this domino now can connect to other dominoes only this way diagonally. What an excellent start of the puzzle, guys. Really excellent start. So which means that now this domino is connected to this domino either this way or this way, right? Okay, that is done. And okay, so is it possible for us to, okay, so now we know that the maximum number of cells here that can form as a domino part is 4 cells, right? So can this be a domino cell? The moment you mark this as a domino cell, it has to go up, and both of these dominoes, I mean to say both of these domino cells can have a sum of maximum 3, not more than 3, because of the 2 and 1 here, right? So a maximum of 3 here plus 5 and 5 10 here. Can you have these 2 cells as sum of 16, because you have already 10 here, sorry, 3 plus 10 13, sorry. So 3 here plus 5 plus 5, that is 13 here. Can you have the other 13 from these 2 cells? Not possible, because the maximum number you have in a domino is 5. So you can have a maximum of 10 again, which means that any way if you make this cell as a domino cell, it has to go up, and the sum will be 13. 3 plus 10, that is 13, and you cannot have other 13 with the two domino cells, which means that this cannot be a domino cell. Of course it cannot be a domino cell now. And can this be a domino cell? So if this is not a domino cell, you can have a maximum of 3 domino cells in this remaining column, and you cannot have a sum of 26 now, not at all possible, right? 5 5 5 4 and 5, that gives you 24, which means that this will have to be a domino cell, and it can be only 2 at a maximum. I'll just change the color. So it can only be a 2 at a maximum, and if at all it is a 2, what happens here is, let us not assume any number here for now. So can this be a domino cell now? This domino can go this way or this way, and in both the cases this will not be a domino cell. If it goes this way, you can have a maximum of 2 domino cell here, either this way and this way, and in all the cases you have only 5 cells. So just keep in mind that this column will have at least 6 domino cells, and if at all you mark this as a non-domino cell, you have only 5 domino cells here, which is again not possible. So this has to be a domino cell, and now these two have to be a domino cell. Excellent. Which means that you can have a maximum of 2 here, a 5 here, a 5 5 in one of these cells, and a 4 5 in one of these 2 domino cells, which means that sums to 5 5 5 5 20 plus 4 and plus 2 26. Excellent. What a start logic, guys, what a start logic. Which means that this has to be a 2, this has to be a 5, one of these two domino cells will be 4 5 and the other domino cell will be a 5 5, right? Maximum 5 5, 4 5 and 2 5, which means that 4 plus 5 9, plus 10 19, plus 7 26. Excellent. So we are not sure which domino will be 5 5 and which domino will be 4 5, so we have just done the pencil marks here, and we can just mark that 5 5, 4 5 and 2 5 are used now, right? Which means that now if you see, this domino has to be connected diagonally only this way, right? This has to be a domino cell now. And okay, superb. That was a really excellent start logic, a very tough one I would say. No doubt that this is a 5-star puzzle, and let's see if we get anything else here. Okay, I think so the 14 should help here. The 14 clue in the 10th row, because you have only 5 cells here. This is also already eliminated as not being a domino cell. You have only 4 cells here, and of course all of the 4 cells cannot be domino cells, because out of these 3 cells only 2 cells will be the domino cells, and this cell will surely have to be a domino cell, because if this is not a domino cell, no way you can have these 2 cells as sum of 14, because the maximum number you have here now is 5 only, right? Which means that this will have to be a domino cell, and if you can see, anyhow the sum of these 3 cells will have to be 5 5 and 4. No other possibility, right? There are 3 domino cells here in this row, and those 3 cells will have to be used as 5 5 and 4. And as you can see, what an excellent logic here. If one of these 2 cells, if this is not a domino cell, these 2 will be a domino cell. It is not possible because you have an L-shaped domino, so this has to be a domino cell, and which means this will not be a domino cell. And now you can see this has to be a domino cell now, because this is not a domino cell. If this is a domino cell, you have again L domino, so this has to be a domino to complete the 2 into 1 region. And now if you see, if you have this cell as a domino cell, you already form a 2 into 1 domino, and as we can see, the 3 cells will sum to 5 5 and 4, and the pencil mark here used will be 4 and 5, right? This domino can neither be a 4 5 domino or a 5 5 domino, because we have already used that here, right? Which means that this cell cannot be a domino cell, and this cell will have to be a domino cell. And now this domino has to continue down, and we are just marking the green cells that those cannot be a domino cell. This cannot be a domino cell again. These both cannot be the domino cell. And now this domino, now this also cannot be a domino cell, because you have only 1 cell here. You need to have 2 into 1 region for a domino to be completed, so this is not a domino cell. And now this domino will have to connect to this other dominoes by this way only. So this is a white cell now, because the orientation of this domino. And we can write here now 4 5, 4 5 and 4 5. Excellent, right? And now if you can see, this dominoes, these 2 dominoes have to connect this way only. Superb. Okay, that is done now. And if you can see, these domino, these chain of dominoes has only one way to connect, either 2 ways, either this way or this way. And going this way, it will form a L-shaped domino. You already have a 1 domino given here, which means it won't connect this way, and it has to connect this way, right? And now these domino cells, these 3 domino chain has 2 ways to connect, either this way or this way. And if we go this way, again it gets stranded here, which means at last it will have to connect this way only, right? So even if you don't connect this way, you have to connect this way, and even if you connect this way, at last you will have to connect this way only, which means it has to be a domino cell here. This won't be a domino cell again. And okay, that is done. Let's see if we get anything else here. And again, if you see this domino chain, right, it cannot, if even if it connects this way, it will have to connect this way at the last. Even if it connects this way, you have only one way to connect this whole domino chain, by this way only, right? Which means that you have to connect this way somehow, and this will go up. Okay, and now all of these domino chains are connected. Both of these domino chains which are independent are connected now, and all of these domino chains will have to be connected this way, right? So either this way or this way. And we are not getting numbers here, but we are getting the placement, orientation of the dominoes. That is a great thing. At least we'll continue the puzzle with that way. And oh, suddenly the change of the logic, guys. If you see at the 7 here in this column, only one domino cell is shaded here and all other are white cells. So this has to be a domino cell at least. So if this is not a domino cell, not possible that this cell will have to be a 7, right? The only way to fulfill the 7 column is this cell will have to be a 7, which is not possible. So this has to be a domino cell, and now these domino cells will have to be connected this way. So it has to be this way now, because you cannot connect 3 into 1 domino. And now this 0 domino will have this as a white cell, either this way or this way. Okay, and okay, now all of these domino chains can connect either this way or this way, right? So we are not sure of it. So if it's connect this way, it has to go up. Okay, it can connect anyway. Okay, if you see the 17 clue, this is quite helpful, I think. The minimum number of domino cells needed in a 17 clue is 4, right? You cannot have 3. 5, 5, 5, and a maximum you can get is 15, which means you need to have at least 4 cells, and 2 cells are already fulfilled, which means that other 3 cells, out of these 3 cells, 2 will be domino cells, right? What happens if we eliminate this cell now? Sorry, you get a 3 into 1 domino, right? The moment you eliminate this as a domino cell, this domino cell cannot be connected to this domino cell anyway, not at all possible, which means that this cell have to be a domino cell. And is that again helpful? And now this domino cell cannot go up and down, because then both of these cells will be white cells, right? So both of these can be done here. And one more great logic, guys. If you can see this 0 domino, if I don't have a domino cell here, there is no possible way that this 0 domino can be connected to this domino's other part of the dominoes. One way is this, other way is this. In any way, this domino is not connected to any part of the other dominoes, which means that this will have to be a domino cell, and now this will have to be, for the 17 4 domino cells, so this will have to be a domino cell, right? And that's great, that's great. So now this also will have to be a 0. And okay, so let's see if we get anything else. So how many dominoes we have already achieved, guys? Let's see, let's count that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So we have already marked the 19 dominoes, so 2 more pending, right? And we need to connect these whole domino chains with the other chains with using 2 more domino cells, right? Two more dominoes. That shouldn't be much helpful if at all. Let us just assume that this has to be 0, this can be 1. Okay, it can be any way. Let us see other way, something if we get else. Okay, let us see the 7 domino. What are the possibilities of a 7 domino? 5 2 3 and 4. There is no other possibility, right? There are only 2 dominoes that sums to 7. As you can see here, none of these dominoes sums to 7. One is this domino 3 and 4. One is this domino 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is already used, which means this will have to be a 3 and 4 domino. Excellent. Which means that this 3 we cannot go with the 4, it has to go with the 5. So we have used the 3 4 domino and 3 5 domino. Excellent. And is that helpful here? So which means that the 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 0 is 8 again, and this will either be 0 or 1, right? Because we don't know the dominoes here. And as you can see, one more good logic here is this domino cannot go down. The moment it goes down, it is stranded alone and cannot connect to any other domino, which means that this has to go this way, and again this will have to be a 0. Superb, right? So because the 2 is already achieved here, and which means that this cell can either be 0 or 1 because of the 1 sum here, and it cannot be 0 because the 0 0 domino is already used now. So which means that this domino will have to be a 1, and we have used the 0 1 domino as well. Okay, and now if you can see, there is an excellent logic here, guys. Why this logic was helpful? So in this puzzle, finding the dominoes and then finding the numbers, and again because of finding the numbers you get something with finding the dominoes. What an excellent change of logics here. Excellent puzzle. I am sure that this has to be more than 5-star rating puzzle, but 5-star is the maximum here. I would have given here 6-star at least. What a great puzzle this is. And if you see here, why that 0 0 and 0 1 is helping here is, I'll say you, now these domino chains, the whole chain from starting from here and ending here, has only 2 ways to connect to other part of the dominoes, either this way or this way. Sorry, this way. And if at all we connect this way, both of these dominoes will have the number 0 0, because the 2 is already achieved, so this has to be 0. 1 is already achieved, this has to be 0. But 0 is also already used, which means that the connection will have to be using this domino. So which means that this has to be a 0, and it cannot be this domino now, because again you'll have a 0 0. 1 is already achieved. So which means this has to be a domino, and this will be anything. We are not sure, right? So we have already used 20 dominoes here, because we already had 19 here, and this was the new one, which is 20. So there will be only one more new domino, which will help us to connect these 3 dominoes with these remaining dominoes. So let us see if that is possible anyway. So if this is a domino cell, this will have to be a domino cell, and we are able to connect that. If this is a domino cell, this will be a domino cell, and this is standard here. Excellent. Let us see again, if for this orientation, if this is the domino cell, this cannot be a domino cell, and this will have to be a domino cell, and there is no way you can connect this 4 5 to this domino. Superb. Which means that this cannot be a domino cell, and this will have to be a domino cell, and it will have to connect this way. It will come down, it will connect this way, and we can mark all the other white cells as not being the domino cells. Only this orientation is pending, because in either way it is still connected to all of the other domino cells. So let us see now. Let us count again just to make sure that we are correct here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Excellent. So we have marked the 21 dominoes, the orientation of the dominoes already, and let's see if we get anything here. So just mark the pencil marks here now, because the 4 can only be 0 and 1 in any order, the sum of the 4. And let's see, and if you see the 9 here, the only orientation possible is 4 and 5, right? 4 in one of the cells, 5 in one of the cells. One more excellent logic here. The excellent logic here, I would say, is, I am not sure if that is helpful in any manner, the number of digit used. So as you can see, the number of zeros in this dominoes, 21 dominoes, are 7, right? There are 21 dominoes, into 2 is 42. there are exactly 6 numbers from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And every number occurs 7 times, exactly 7 times. So 0 is 7 times, occurring 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 is occurring 7 times. 3 is occurring 7 times. So those 6 numbers are occurring 7 times exactly. Right? Which means that you have 7 times each of numbers here. So let us see the highest number of the number that we have used at the highest, which is 5 here. One of the 5s will be here, second 5 is here, there will be 2 5s here. So one of the domino will have 2 5s, one of the dominoes will have 1 5, which means 4 5s are already used in this column. This is 5th, one of these will be 6th, and one of these will be 7th. So we have already used the 7 5s here. So we will not be using any more 5s here. And let us see if that is helpful here. And yeah, excellent guys, that is helpful. Why? Because what happens if I don't mark this as a domino cell? So if this is not a domino cell, the 9 will have to use 4 and 5 in one of the dominoes. There are only 2 dominoes here, and one will be the 4 and the other will be the 5, which is not possible because we have already used the 7 5s here, which means that this will have to be a domino cell. Excellent. Superb logic guys, excellent logic. Now let us see if that is helpful here. And okay, now let us see if we get anything else here. And so if this is a 5, what numbers can be in these two cells? So 10 are already used, you need 7 more. It can be 5 2, it can be 3 and 4, right? So if you see here, we have with the 5, the number that can be used here is 5 is already used, 2 is already used, so it cannot be 5 2, 3 is already used with the 5, and 4 is also used with the 5. So all of the numbers that can pair with the 5 with this domino is already used. 2, 3, 4 and 5, because we have 4 5 here, 5 5 here in one of the cells, 3 5 here and 2 5 here. So which means that this cannot be a 5. Excellent. This has to be a 4 and this has to be a 5. And now if you see here, what a great puzzle guys this is. What a excellent puzzle. Tremendous puzzle I would say. What a tough puzzle this is. And the 17 here now has already, 9 has already fulfilled, right? We have already sum as 9. And these two cells will have to sum as 4 without, these two cells will have to sum as 8 without using the 5. That means it is only possible one way, 4 and 4, right? Superb. Which means that we have already used the 0 5, we have already used the 4 4. Excellent, right? We have already used 0 5. So the only one number that has to be used with the 5 is 1 and 5. We have already used 0 5. We have already used 2 5, 3 5, 4 5 and 5 5. The one number that can will be used with the 5 will be 1 and 5, which means the other pair will have to be 0 and 4. So wherever you have a 5 here, the other number will have to be 1, right? 1 5, which is to be used, and the number again with the 4 will have to be 0. And if you can see here, if we have a 4 here, this has to be 0 again, right? Which means that the sum 8 can only be achieved with having a 4 here. So we'll have 0 4 twice. Oh, superb logic guys, superb logic. So if we have a 4 here, we'll have a 0 here, because the 4 will pair with the 0, because 5 will have to be paired with the 1. 5 cannot pair with the 0 because 5 is already paired with the 0. So if you have a 4 here, you will have a 0 here, which indeed will give you a 4 here, which is not possible, which means this has to be 5, this has to be 1, this has to be 4, this has to be 0, and this has to be 2 now. So we have already fulfilled 3 dominoes here, 0 2, 1 5 and 0 4. Oh, what an excellent puzzle friends, what an excellent puzzle. And now if you see here, we forgot to mark this. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 0 is 8. Again, to fulfill the 9, this has to be a 1, right? And Okay, so with the 4 there are only two numbers remaining, 1 4 and 2 4. So we can mark those two, 1 and 2 here. And as you can see here, one more great logic here is with the 6, 3 are already used. The sum of the 6, 3 are already used. 1 plus 2 is 3, which means we need to use 3 more with these two dominoes. The only possibility is 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. So the dominoes can be 0 and 3, 1 and 2, no other domino. And the minimum sum with these two dominoes can be 3 and 4. The minimum value we can have with these two dominoes are 3 and 4, which means 7 is already used. So this domino can only have 0 and 1. It cannot have 2. So if you have 2, the sum will go greater than 8. So if it is a 0, this will have to be a 3, and this, if this is 1, this has to be a 2. Excellent. So we know that the domino here is either 0 3 or 1 2 in one of the orders. And if you can see here, a very good logic here is, we know that the sum of these two cells is 7, sum of these two cells is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. And sum of these two rows, so 0 is not counted, however 0 won't count with the sum. So sum of these two numbers is 19, right? So 7 plus 3 is 10. So sum of these two numbers will have to be 9. And it can only be 4 and 5, which means this has to be 5 and 5. Oh, different kind of logics used here, friends. Different kind of logics. I don't think so this has to be a 5-star puzzle. It will be 6 7 8 star. I'm not even sure of it. A very tough puzzle, friends. A very tough puzzle. And okay, the 5 5 is also done. So let us see the 6 here now. This is something helpful. See the 4 here. 4 sum is already done here with the 6, which means these two dominoes sum will be only 2. And the remaining sum with the two dominoes is only 1 and 1. All the other dominoes sum will go greater than 2, which means this has to be 1 and 1. Superb. So we have done the 1 and 1 again. So this cannot be a 1 now. This cannot be a 0. This cannot be a 2. So 0 1 2 is not possible. 3 is possible. 4 is also not possible. 0 can only go with the 3 here. So this has to be 3 now. Superb. This has to be 3. And now 3 plus 0 is 4, 0 3, and we need 7. So sum of these two numbers will be 4. So do we get anything? 1 plus 3 is 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So anything is possible. So 1 plus 3 is already done now. So which means that these two sums will have to be 2 and 2. Oh, superb. And now if you see 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 5 is 8. So this has to be a 0 again. But I think so we have done something wrong here, right? Oh, sorry. We have done something wrong here, and I know what that is. 1 can go with the 2. So we have marked with the 0. I am sorry. So we had a 1 here. 1 and can go with the 2, 3 and 4. That was my bad. Thank God we just saw that here at the early stage. And so 5 plus 1 is 6, and these two cells can be 0 1 2 in any order. 0 1 2, and superb. Thank God we just saw that, because I was using the number 0 instead of 1, so that was not helpful here. You can see here 0 plus 4 is 4 plus 4 is 8. We need 12. What happens if this is 2? The moment if you mark this as 2, you have already 10 sum, and these two dominoes will have a 2 sum, and 2 sum domino is already not there here. We have already used all the 2 sum domino, which means this has to be 1, and 1 4 domino will be used here. So which means that these two cells will be 3 sum domino, and the 3 sum domino has only two possibilities, 0 3 and 1 2, right? So it can be 0 1 2 3 here. And as you can see, both of these two dominoes are 3 sum domino, and both of these dominoes are 3 sum domino. So one of the dominoes will go here and the other domino will go here. So we cannot get a 3 sum domino in anywhere else, not at all possible. So which means that this will have to be a 3 or 4, it cannot be a 2. You already have used all the 3 sum dominoes here, so this has to be 3 and 4. And again, if you use a 4 here, you'll again have a 3 sum domino here. Superb. So which means that this has to be a 3, 1 and 3, and which means this is a 4 sum domino now, and 4 sum domino can only be with 2 and 2. So we are right here, but we just mark the wrong, we mark the 0 3 here, right? So which means this has to be a 2 and 2, because the 4 sum domino is only 2 and 2 remaining, which means that we can mark the 2 and 2 here, and this cell will have to be now 0, which means the only number using pending with the 0 is 3. So this has to be 1 and 2, and which means that if this is 1, the sum of these two numbers will have to be 7, and which means it has to be minimum 3 and 4, 4 and 5. Superb. So we have used all the dominoes here. 1 and 2 is used, 0 and 3 is used, and okay, so these two sum dominoes will be 2 plus 3 5 6 7, so 5, sum will be 5, which is 2 and 3, right? So it has to be 2 and 3. And now let us see this. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5, plus 5 is 5, 10. So this has to be 4. So we have used a 4 sum domino, 6 sum domino here, 2 and 4. And these two will be 6. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the remaining is 6. So which means it has to be 3 and 3. And now this has to be 2 and 3. And with that we complete the 2 and 3 and 3 and 3, all the domino sets. Oh, what a tough puzzle, guys. What a tough puzzle. What an excellent puzzle. This was very, very enjoyable. I cannot say how much I enjoyed this puzzle, and I am sure that this is one of the toughest dominoes puzzle I have solved. A Timid domino puzzle. Thanks to Tom. Thanks a lot to Tom for such a great puzzle. This was really a tough puzzle. Different kind of logics used here. Right, first the domino chain connection, then finding the maximum number, the minimum number, and then finding the total sum here, 80 19, and we get that 4 and 5 will have to be here. Different kind of logics here. If you have a 0 4 here, you'll have a 0 4 here again. What a super puzzle here. What a friendly puzzle this was. Excellent puzzle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.